today I'm doing my first official Halloween look. So I'm going to be doing Day of the Dead today. I am going to be using some Halloween makeup, and then the rest will be my Seint makeup. So I will be using Salem, which is the eyeshadow, the black. I decided to do this early in the morning because otherwise I won't do anything. Scratching that idea. So I'm actually going to use just the linen highlight color from Seint. Though the way this dries, I don't like it. It's too splotchy. So here is the linen. I'm going to use the buff brush, which will give me a very, very heavy, I have some on my nose, so don't mind that. A heavy application. So if you wanted a very full coverage with Seint, you would use this brush. Obviously you want it to be in your color, but mucho better. Perfect, just a little bit of that linen color makes all the difference. So now I'm gonna start going into the black shadow. I'm going to, I need to start coloring in my eyes. I'm actually gonna add some, I think it was called Undead Glam, so I did Undead Glam too, so I'm gonna add some purples. It looks so funny. So to get this off, I will be using an oil-based cleanser, and then I will wash my face with a pH balanced cleanser. I'm gonna put the crown on here that I'm supposed to be wearing with it, just to see if I can keep my hair out of my face. All right, maybe not. Okay. I'm gonna fill these in with contour color. Sorry, my boyfriend's home, so I usually am pretty quiet when he's here. So now I'm gonna go in with, this is the eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna start blending in some purple. I think I'm gonna use the color Amethyst versus the Midnight. So Amethyst is right here. I'm just gonna start giving some color. So if you just put black on, it's gonna look patchy. So if you start with the purple, it'll help to blend in black and all that stuff. Browns and blacks, grays. So I might go in with my blend brush for this one. This should not be a very long look. I have the outfit, I have all of it. And I think that carrying it down the neck just really makes the look come together. If you need to, you can use a lighter shade of purple. So I could go in here with London, and that will help to blend out the purple as well. And then we'll put some black in here and blend it. Blending is key, so you're just gonna blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. So I'm gonna start going up here into the hairline. I'm gonna start just blending this all out. I don't think you need 20 minutes of that, so I'll be right back. Now I'm going into the black, so it's the same thing, just apply and blend. So this is the Salem color, like I said. Just using the eyeshadow brush here. All right, going into the blend brush again, and now I'm going to start just feathering this in right here on top. And you can just pick up purple as you go. I'm going in with that London color, which is the lighter of the purples. Wiping my brush off and then just so for the neck, I'm trying to draw like your throat rings. I'll blend this out with some purple, I think. Wow, this will really enhance any texture in your neck for sure. It's like, oh man, that's some chicken skin right there. Wow. Loose skin. Okay, I'm gonna grab some London color, which is that lighter purple, and I'm just gonna kind of blend this. Should I walk around all day like this? Is a 46-year-old woman dressing up on Halloween? I've had this stuff for weeks and I just get so lazy. So I was like, I need to get up and just do it. In the morning when I can't talk myself out of it for being tired. Now it's not perfect, but all right, I'm back to blending with the black. Okay guys, it's just another one of those blending games, so I'm just gonna blend, 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 and not make it. Let's move on. So I have what are these called? They're called pencils or something like that. So I'm gonna start drawing the nose and the teeth on. And I might just darken it up. Make sure I set it with the Salem. Whoa, it's coming together. All right, now we're gonna draw teeth. and we're gonna draw the line through it. I need to add a little bit of shading on the lip. It seems to have come off. And we're gonna just line, well actually I want to put my mascara on first. All right, so now we get into the black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna tight line. Well guys, I think I might add a little bit more black at my jawline, and then I'm calling it good. This is so crazy. Alright, so here's the look. I'm gonna go change into the outfit and just kind of fix my hair, and then we'll wrap this up. Alright, here we go. What do you guys think? So I have the dress and all that. You know, because we gotta like do it all. So I think this is fun. It is a little bit darker on this side, but it is what it is. I think the dress, I found this at a thrift store. I think it was like $5 or $6, and I was like, oh, it's perfect, so I had to get it. So I think it's perfect for Day of the Dead. All right. Okay guys, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and I will be back with one more makeup Halloween tutorial. All right, have a good day. Bye.